फोकस करते हैं एक और कंपनी पर, अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस। कंपनी ने पहली तिमाही के नतीजे जारी कर दिए हैं। कंपनी के मुनाफे में जून में खत्म हुई तिमाही में जबरदस्त उछाल दर्ज किया। मुनाफे में अगर बात करें तो 161% का उछाल के साथ 677 करोड़ से बढ़कर 1772 करोड़ पर पहुंच गया है। और दूसरी ओर कंपनी की आय में भी 12.5% की बढ़त दर्ज की गई है। कारोबार और आगे की योजनाओं के बारे में कंपनी के ग्रुप सीएफओ जुगशिंदर सिंह ने क्या कहा, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Good afternoon. We are here to discuss Q1 Financial Year 25 results of AEL. AEL's business portfolio comprises assets spread across energy utility, transport and logistics, direct-to-consumer and primary industries. The incubating portfolio comprises of Adani New Industry, airport and roads businesses, and the established business portfolio of primary industry vertical comprising business spreads across services, metals, commercial mining, and industrials. AEL's incubation portfolio is consistently making significant strides in its operational and financial performance. AEL has recorded its highest ever quarterly EBITDA of 4,300 crores, supported by exceptional performance of incubating businesses with EBITDA of 2,667 crore. The contribution of incubating businesses to overall EBITDA is now more than 50%. During the current quarter, ANIL revenue increased by 138% to 4,519 crore and EBITDA increased by 3.6 times to 1,642 crore on account of modules exports. Airport business revenue grew by 27% to 2,177 crore and EBITDA grew by 33% to 682 crore. Total income of operating businesses increased sharply by 63% to 9,342 crore, with EBITDA increasing by 107% to 2,667 crore. Profit before tax increased by over 200% to 1,552 crore. With this, the overall consolidated results for the quarter saw consolidated EBITDA up by 48% to 4,300 crore, consolidated profit before tax up by 107% to 2,236 crores, and consolidated income up by 13% to 26,067 crore. Coming to the project and operational updates of major businesses. In our Adani New Industries green hydrogen ecosystem, ANIL solar manufacturing business successfully operated at full capacity of 4 GW for both cell and module line. During the quarter, the module sales have increased 125% to 1,379 MW on year-on-year basis. ANIL wind manufacturing business has also received the final type certificate for 3 MW wind turbine. During the quarter, we supplied 41 wind turbine sets to customers. In our airport portfolio, for the first time ever, passenger movement at airports crossed 90 million on trailing 12-month basis. During the quarter, we added 39 new brands across all our airports, out of which 25 new brands were added in our recently inaugurated world-class terminal of Lucknow Airport, which can now cater up to 8 million passengers per annum. Additionally, Adani Airports added 8 new routes, 6 new airlines, and 13 new flights across all 7 operational airports during the quarter.
बिल्कुल, तो ये थी अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस के नतीजों से जुड़ी बड़ी बातें हम आपको भी बता रहे थे। लेकिन चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते